Looks like it melted through. That'll come off easy to clean. I wish I had the option for large or small, but not sure how long that will last either, but it's like a plastic, which is nice that it does that to clean it, but my concern is the plastic appears to be melted and this showing through, which you cannot take this off to clean. So if something gets up underneath there, bacteria will grow. And I don't know if this is enough to keep that from happening. But I did like that feature, and it seems like a solid
This is more than just an electric can opener. It also comes with some other accessories on it that I'm going to show you, but of course it works great as an electric can opener, and I'll show you how to use it at the end. It's not a small can opener by any means. It's going to take up some space wherever you set it, but you can see it's a nice solid piece of equipment here, and it's not too heavy to move around, so even if you have to store it somewhere, that's totally fine. If you ever need to clean it, you can just pop this piece off right here with one hand, no problem. You can see that it has the little magnet piece right here that sticks to the lid, and it has the sharp blade on it. Be sure not to mess with that. And you can see it's really easy to replace with just one hand as well. Very easy to use. This portion right here is actually a bottle opener. I told you it's more than just a can opener. And on the back here, you'll see that it actually has a knife sharpening tool. Let me show you how to use that. Just place the blade in like this horizontally and run it in one direction. And then the next thing you know, you have a blade with a nice clean edge to it. It's got a standard 2-prong plug, so it'll plug in basically anywhere. Now I did mention that this isn't a small can opener, and I actually like that because it makes it really easy to open some of even the biggest cans that you might have to work with. However, I'm just going to show you what it's like to open up a tuna can here. Let's do that. You'll see how it really easy connects to that magnet, and then all you have to do is just push down with one finger, and it's going to rotate the can for you, and then eventually it will just separate the can from the top. There you go, it's nice and easy. I love how convenient and simple this is to use, much easier than using a hand crank. However, the one thing that I will point out is that it leaves kind of a jagged can lid, so just be really careful when removing it so you don't cut yourself on it. This is my first electric can opener, and I'm really glad I finally got one.
If you like the product, link is in bio, and please follow me for more.